Good morning. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I want to say that 3 times because that's really my key message here. You'll be getting lots of information in your individual courses, but as the chairperson for the pharmacy technician program, I just wanted to, again, welcome you to fall. Even though things are different, we're excited to get going this fall and plan to offer a rewarding and enriching educational experience. We don't want to have anybody thinking that your educational opportunities and the learning outcomes will be any different this year because it's online this fall, but the contact will be different. So again, welcome. I just wanted to mention a couple of things. There will be further information shared via PharmTech Central. For those of you brand new to the program, you have been added to PharmTech Central. That's a Blackboard channel that has all kinds of program information. It's a tool for us to share things with you that are not necessarily course specific. And you can also use the classroom in PharmTech Central for yourselves. If you want to get together with a group of students, if you want to interact in a manner, you can use the PharmTech Central classroom. You can also interact with each other using Microsoft Teams. And of course, you can set up meetings with your instructors as well through Microsoft Teams. So those are a couple of platforms you will hopefully become quite familiar with in the near future. A couple of things I did want to mention and reinforce. I know the college has been sending out lots of information. It's a little bit overwhelming for all of us because things are changing. So please keep checking your Red Deer College email. Read the materials that are shared with you. Prepare to come on campus in winter term. You have some online training to do. Make sure you get that done and hang on to your certificate because we will be needing to validate that you've done that training so that when we're all working together on campus, we can stay safe. There's also an online toolkit that's been shared with you. That should be really helpful to prepare you for the Blackboard experience, so please do that as well. One of the things that we share with our students every year is please don't wait. If you have a question, if you have a concern, if something's not going well for you or you're just puzzled about something, perhaps you're getting conflicting information between one course and another, please ask us. And this year more than ever, we really want to rely on you to reach out to us. In a classroom setting or a lab setting, we can pay a little bit more attention and we can maybe see when somebody has a question or they're looking puzzled and we can approach the student ourselves. But in an online environment, that's going to be more challenging for us. So please, please reach out. We're here to help you succeed. It's much easier to help you solve a problem or provide you with the resources you need if we can address a challenge early on. So please reach out to all of your instructors if you need them. Lastly, I just want to close with think about your own wellness this year. That's always important, but just like when we're feeling run down in regular times, we're more likely to catch a cold. We want everyone to stay healthy and well and be able to maintain that status as we work through the school year, as we start to come on campus for labs and so forth. So please ensure you're getting enough sleep. Do things that are stimulating for you, that are not school related. Make sure that you do take care of yourself. And I look forward to meeting you initially online and then seeing you again on campus. Thank you, and again, welcome to the school year.